This frigidaire dishwasher wasn't draining.
Save up. Okay, bye.
It was all full of water in here, it wasn't draining. So the first thing I did came down to the basement here and disconnected this thing here. So in my case, water was coming out. So make sure you have a bucket. So this is a shot from behind the dishwasher. So the drain hose is what I disconnected. And then I went underneath. Well, I'll show you by, I'll tip it down like I did there and it'll be easier to see. So we tipped it down. And then I took off this here, which is the end of the hose, and then all the water drained out of it. So I could see that the problem wasn't something stuck in this hose. It was draining at both ends. So then the next thing I did was I took off these 3 screws here, which is the impeller motor. But first I undid the power here, unclip those 2 things, and then you just pull the whole thing out and it's like a motor. So here it is disconnected, and then I connected it back up temporarily, the engine here, and I started the dishwasher, push start. And if you push start twice, what happens is it starts this pump. Well, if you push it once, it starts the pump, and then to stop the cycle, you push it again, and then I could see it was running. So I knew it wasn't, the problem was, well, I knew the problem wasn't there. The motor was good. So the only thing I did was put everything back together, and it started working again, started draining. So I think that just the fact there was all kinds of dirt and crud in it there, and then from the inside I was able to clean it too. But I think that just taking this out and starting it helped, because I think that there was something stuck in there. So I put it all back together, and then you can well, I hope that helps some people if they ever run into this problem. Okay, thank you.